Germany has begun training Ukrainian soldiers on the Boxer Driver Training Vehicle, DTV, marking the first publicly confirmed instruction on the Boxer platform for Ukraine's armed forces. The sessions are taking place in Germany under the EU's Military Assistance Mission, UMUA, and are focused on vehicle operation and tactical maneuvering across multiple Boxer configurations, including artillery and infantry transport variants. The Boxer DTV mirrors the performance and dynamics of combat-ready Boxer 8x8 vehicles, allowing Ukrainian trainees to seamlessly transition into live operations. This variant features a dedicated training module with dual controls for the instructor, enabling direct intervention during driving exercises. The setup includes a raised, glass-enclosed cabin for enhanced visibility and safety mechanisms such as retractable seats to minimize injury in rollover scenarios. Germany's broader military package for Ukraine includes the RCH 155 self-propelled howitzer and the RCT30 infantry fighting vehicle, both based on the Boxer chassis. The RCH 155 features a 155mm L52 cannon and is designed for highly mobile, automated fire missions with a range exceeding 50 kilometers. Weighing 39 tons, it supports rapid redeployment, operates with just 2 crew members, and offers advanced protection systems and NBC shielding. As of April 2025, Germany has begun delivering the RCH 155 systems, totaling 54 units approved in phases since 2022. The Bundeswehr is also in talks to purchase 80 additional systems for its own use. These howitzers meet modern battlefield demands for survivability against counter-battery attacks and support fast-paced, mechanized warfare with STANAG Level 4 armor. Alongside the artillery systems, Germany is sending 9 Boxer RCT30 vehicles configured as AITO-30 FDC, fire direction centers. These are armed with a remote-controlled turret mounting a 30mm 30-2 Malawian Quachas per ABM autocannon, Spike LR missiles, and a laser warning system. The unmanned turret enables precise strikes on moving and aerial targets, making the RCT30 suitable for both fire coordination and air defense, particularly against loitering munitions and drones. The Boxer RCT30 shares its turret design with Germany's Puma infantry vehicle and carries a full infantry squad alongside 3 crew members. Powered by an 815 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds over 100 km per hour and boasts a 700 km operational range. Its modular design includes advanced armor and spacious internal volume, enabling it to fulfill varied roles from command operations to mobile defense. These vehicles are vital in countering Russia's increasing use of kamikaze drones like the Zala Lancet, which have inflicted losses on Ukrainian artillery units. The RCT-30's rapid-fire systems and sensor suite are tailored to neutralize such threats at short range, improving survivability for Ukrainian forces on the front line. Germany's support is part of a broader international adoption of the Boxer platform. Besides Ukraine, countries including the UK, Netherlands, Australia, Lithuania, and Germany itself are integrating Boxer variants into their ground forces. The UK is acquiring over 600 units, Australia has developed 5 variants under Land 400 Phase 2, and Lithuania operates more than 90 vehicles across 5 configurations. The Boxer DTV, while unarmed, plays a key role in preparing personnel for frontline duties. It runs on the same MTU engine as its combat counterparts and retains the Boxer's full weight, balance, and off-road performance. With enhanced digital control interfaces, all-around visibility, and safety redundancies, it ensures trainees receive realistic and secure driving experience. Supporting a gross weight of 38.5 tons and a 1,000 km range, the DTV matches the physical and technical demands of combat Boxers. Its sophisticated control systems allow instructors to override acceleration, braking, and even steering if necessary. The vehicle is used not just by Germany but also by the Netherlands and Lithuania for peacetime training. Germany's deployment of both combat and training Boxer variants underscores its commitment to strengthening Ukraine's military capabilities. As deliveries and training accelerate in 2025, Ukrainian crews will be increasingly equipped to operate high-tech, NATO-standard platforms, reinforcing their readiness and resilience in the evolving conflict.